Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this part 2 of the vector algebra, the partial equations of this one. So here a unit vector along PQ where coordinates of P and Q respectively are 2, 1, minus 1 and 4, 4 and minus 7. So is given here. So we have to find given here we have we have to find the unit this one the PQ. Okay, so now the given points are P, 2, 1 and minus 1, and this is 4, 4 and minus 7. So to find out this PQ, what we will do here, so we can this write as this one, 4 minus 2, and this we can write as I. This is the unit vector, then 4 minus 1, and then you can write here J, this unit is minus 7. Minus of minus means this is going to be plus 1. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be 3 and this is going to be minus 6. So that will be ijk. So now the unit vector along PQ will be, this will be here, you will write here, like this one, that is PQ divided by this we can say the modulus of PQ. So here, now what do we have here PQ? You have, that is given over here. So same thing you will write here. And this, whenever you write this one, so that is a square plus b square plus c square, or root of a square plus b square plus c square. So now this is, you look at the coefficient, this is 2, means it is going to be a square, means this is a, b, c. So this is going to be 4. This 3 means, that is 3 square means 9. And this minus 6 square is going to be 36. So here, this you will write as this is the same. This, when you add all this thing, you will write root of 49. So again, this is going to be what? Root of 49 is going to be 7. This is going to be the same. So now what you can do here, you can just separate it. You can write here 2 by 7i plus this one, 3 by 7j, and this is minus 6 by 7k. So this is what they have asked. They have asked. So this is the final answer. Now the next one, this is a position vector of the midpoint of the line segment AB this is given. If position vector of the point A is this, then position vector, we want the position vector of B. So now AB is given as this. So now see here that we can say the M be the midpoint of AB. So coordinates of M will, here it is going to be here. Here this will be 3, 2 and minus 3. And coordinates of A are 2, 3 and minus 4. And coordinates of B, we don't know what are there. So let us write it coordinates of B as x, y, z. So now you know, since M, this is what that is given 3, 2 and minus 3 is a midpoint. So we can take here 3. So how will you do this one? Now see, now concentrate on this A and B. So how will you write this one? 2 plus x divided, because whenever we take the midpoint, we take x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So this will be, this is x1, this will be y1 and this will be z1, then this is x2, y2 and z2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Hope you got this one. So here, when we take this midpoint here 2, so y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this plus this divided by 2. And when you take this point minus 3, that will be z1 plus z2 divided by 2. So this is, so hope this is clear. So now we are just going to, this you will take on this side, that is going to be 6, and this 2 plus x as it is. Again, this you will take on this side, means it is going to be 4. 3 plus y as it is. This will go here, means it is going to be minus 6. This will be as it is. So now let us take this like terms on one side, that 2 will go here, means that is going to be minus 2, that is x. Again here, let us take this one, that is y. If we take this on this side, that is going to be 4, that is z. So now this will be 4. This will going to be 1. that y is 1 and this is going to be minus 2. So we can say hence position vector of point B, that will be, how we are going to write here, 4 means 4i plus this 1 means that is just j and minus 2k. So this is the answer for this one. The two vectors j plus k and this one are represent the two sides AB and AC, represent that is the respectively of triangle ABC. Find the length of the median through A. So now let us draw this one. This is the triangle. This is ABC. So here AB and AC are the two sides. So this one AB and this is the AC. And they said find the length of the median to A. So we are drawing the median to A. This is the A point. So we will draw the median over here. So let us put this point as D. So now let us look at the this one triangle. In the given triangle, we have what is here given, that BC. What is that BC? Is AC minus AB, because why? That is the triangle law of vector addition. So now we have AC. AC is given here. See, when they said this is represent to two sides of AB and AC, these are there. So this will be AB and this is going to be AC. Hope this is clear. So now see, AC will put here and minus this and AB. So AB is this one. So J plus K. So now let us remove the brackets. This as it is, minus J minus K. So minus J minus K. So when we take the like terms together, what we can see, this I is alone over here. J and J minus J means minus 1, that is going to be minus 2. Plus 4 minus, this is 1 here. So that is going to be plus 3. So here what we can see now, so we whatever this we got, this is BC. So AD is given the median. This AD is the median, right? So what we can do that, so we can say this, for this AD, so can you see here, this one, this triangle, let us consider that this BD is half of, see here, this BD, whenever the median is given, this is given, that means this BD is half of what? This BC, because this both are going to be equal. So now we know this half of BC means we got BC as this, isn't it? So we are going to make half of here. So that will be, when we expand this one, this will be 3 by 2i, and this is going to be minus 2 by minus 2j, and here plus 3 by 2k. So now this and this goes off. So 3 by 2i minus j plus 3 by 2k. So this we got as BD. So now what we'll see, because what they asked the length of median to A. So now we want, see now what will you do in triangle? We want, that is median means that we want this one, the length of AD. Now in triangle ABD, using triangle law of vector addition, we have, what is that AD? AD is AB plus BD. AD is, this AD is AB plus BD. So now we know that AB is this J plus K and BD is this one. So now let us take together. So that is going to be minus J plus J gets cancelled here. So here this will be just I is alone here. But now for K, when we see K, this one, now see, this is 1 and this is 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. So let us do that separately. The LCM is 2. So here this is going to be 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 2. So this is what I wrote here is 5 by 2. Hope you got this one. So now this one means we got, so what will be AD? So AD is going to be what? A square plus B square plus C square. So here we have A square, this one as this is A, we don't have B, but this is C, because I, J, K, we don't have any J over here, so we can take that J as 0. So 3 by 2 square plus 0 square, that plus 5 by 2 square. So this is going to be, say, this as well as this. So 9 by 4 plus 0 doesn't make any sense over here. So this will be 25 by 4. So 25 by 4. So this, when we add this together, so that is going to be 34 by 4. So now you know this 4 is a perfect, so this will be root of 1 by 4 when the 4 is in the denominator, and that is going to be 1 by 2 because this 4 is a perfect square. So this 1 by 2 let us take out of the root, and this will be root of 34. So we can say the length of the median to A is 1 by 2 root 34 units. Now two vectors, these are given, and B are collinear. If so, the options I have not given for that one. This the given vectors are, this is A, this is B for collinear of vectors. So this is the rule. So if when that is, we can say that they are collinear when A and B are A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3. So the position vectors of 2 points are this one. The position vector of a point P which divides the line segment joining A and B in the following ratio, that is 2:1, is we have to find out. So now look at here. These points are given now. Here, this OA is this and OB is this point, this one. So what we can say the point. So it will be 2, -1 and -1 because here is 1, here is 1. So this will be 2, -1 and -1. That is point A. And here what is that? 2. This is -1 and this is plus 2. So 2, -1 and +2. So now what did they say? How is the ratio which divides the line segment AB? So suppose this is the line segment AB. So it is dividing in the ratio of 2:1. So here let us put one point P. So it is dividing in the point of this one, the ratio of 2:1. So we have the formula for this one, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by n plus 1, and this my2 plus ny1 divided by n plus 1, mz2 plus nz1 divided by n plus 1. So now this is m and n. So now these are going to be x1, y1, z1, and these are going to be x2, y2, and z2. So you can just plug in the values. Now let's just see here. So you can see where is x2 and then put it according to the, I have given you these points, m1, m and n, x1, y1, z1, and according to that you have to just put the values over here. Okay, again I will repeat, this is m and n, this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2, and just look at this formula and plug in the values over here. So now I'll skip this step for that one. This will be 4, 2 divided by 3, then it will be -2, -1, and this is going to be 3, 4, -1, and this is going to be 3. So what is this going to be? 6 by 3, -3 by 3, and this is going to be 3 by 3. So this will be 2, this is going to be -1, and this is going to be 1. So what we get here, 2, -1, and 1. So we can write here position vector of P is 2, we can put here 2i, this is -1 means -j, and this is going to be +k. So this is the answer. So by this we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.